Hadin wo od ki pajba ye jungut ko Wah Myntdu hakini kisingi wada deb ne liang udisi ke West Giant Hills ni da ongo wa ini I jungut ko dakta ye rukom sam di hasor juai. Da ongo ida wa jungut ko to ne khlok khyndaw khlok chi percha ain na ko Wah Myntdu kam jo I chna sarok daga PWD roads Jawai Central Division. Cucu da ongo le wa ipen hap khyndaw wa kiwi de kitir kitar dakta ko le ikitin long wa kai cha ko Wah Myntdu. Kam tere pengkreakam no ia ka section 144 CRPC dewa Phah ia ka PWD wa kontraktor wa sangeh ikre yau niu sarong kat hadu wa gilat wa laj khyndaw tooid chagani ka wa ka PWD le upengkhoi ka yakani ka wa yo jingir bianggo da khang le wa khlo mo khlo chiam nagani ka wa wana rod yongka da khang le osai that wa ki kari kam ju no yaki khyndaw we jeb hajan ka wa Cucu da khang le uno yaki jeb wakan thup yaki use lain khonbo diapers waki sanitary pads chagani ka wa ni jan medu EAC ka West Giant Hill District as Phanbo chirup ki saheb na ka PWD waki pulit da hier ki chaga Wah Myntdu wa pentip wa da penkre ka yagani ka hukum.
So it has been observed lately and also reported to us that the quality of water in the Myntdu River has been affected. And we have identified multiple reasons, not just one construction site. So we are addressing each reason separately. The first one is the immediate pausing and stopping of all construction work in the bypass while they take suitable measures. They make suitable measures to prevent the flow of earth into the river. As you can see, whatever machinery is active right now is active in getting the sand and the earth away from the vulnerable positions. So this directive has been given to PWD to stop the construction work while they jump onto the mitigation of this flow of earth. Another problem which we have also identified, which is illegal sand mining, and different parties who don't have the authority have been coming and taking the earth and the stone from here, material from the river. So for that we will be looking into it in a very strict manner. The district administration is working closely with the police, with the PWD, with all the other stakeholders to make sure that is stopped. And of course the order has been shared with the DIPR also, and you will be getting to see it. So as of now I am only authorized to share that much information, but I want to also clarify that everyone is working in a collaborative manner to address the immediate situation of the Myntdu River. And we are also aware that this is a development work, so we want to make sure that everything is done properly.
Construction works for this particular bypass, it should be stopped immediately, or?
It has been stopped immediately. It has been stopped immediately, and the resources that the PWD is employing will go into mitigating the flow of earth into the river for now. So, and then of course we will have to in the future come and see again how it's working. But I mean, for now that's all I can tell you. Yeah.